What is up, team? So in today's video we're going to be having a look at Kadena and Bitcoin as well, both charts and technical analysis. Kadena currently ranked 92, 272,000 people on the watch list. So people keep adding Kadena to the watch list, which is fantastic. Under 500 million market cap, traded at $2.63. We're going to be having a look at this chart and Bitcoin as well. But before that, guys, what do you guys think? Do you think that Bitcoin will go to $35,000 or $25,000 first? Bitcoin is currently traded at $30,000. So this is a fair vote. Most people are currently saying $25,000. Let's see what happens. Guys, CryptoDose with 2 E's is my username, or K with 2 dots CryptoDose. Feel free to follow me and push me to 1,000 subscribers, guys. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe for more daily content on crypto. Let's start off with Bitcoin because we know Bitcoin is king and there's no question, okay? Bitcoin has been consolidating in this area right here for about a week now, even more, since the 14th of May. Since the 14th of May, 13th of May, we've been consolidating in this little area between $30,900 or $31,000 and this area right here, which is $28,600. Now the question is are we gonna explode out of here and make a move to the top? Are we gonna come back and retest the daily moving average, the daily exponential moving average ribbon right here, which is something that I've been talking for quite some time? Are we gonna come and get it rejected and come back down? There's a lot of things we could actually potentially see. Now, a lot of people are saying for this that we're gonna essentially break out and go to $35,000. Well, guess what? We could break out, but this can definitely be a fake out, right? If we have a look at the weekly moving average, I mean, guys, we've been seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 straight red candles for Bitcoin. Now, the weekly candle does end in 12 hours and 30 minutes and 13 seconds to be exact. So we have exactly half a day to essentially see and when and if this candle will close red or green. If it closes red, this will be the first time ever that Bitcoin closes 8 straight weekly candles in a row in its history, essentially. So it's going to be very, very interesting to see what happens here. Now, key resistance to watch is this right here. This is the first key resistance to watch, sitting at 31,700, 32,000. Let's just call it 32,000. This is definitely a key resistance to watch. If we have a look on the daily time frame, we could definitely come back right here to $35,000, and this is why I say $35,000 is a potential area to come back to. And the reason why that is because we came back and we had two rejections right here. And of course, Bitcoin is bound for a relief bounce. I think we're going to see a relief bounce. We're going to have to see. If we have a look at the 4-hour time frame, guys, once again, still getting rejected by the EMA Ribbon. Bitcoin still has not been able to break these levels right here. We saw one area right here, one rejection right here, another one right here, another one right here. And can we potentially see another one right here? So we're going to have to see. I mean, this is the question that everyone is asking on the 9th exponential moving average or the 55 EMA ribbon. And that's about it. That is it for Bitcoin. We are seeing a bearish divergence on the 1-hour time frame for Bitcoin, I believe. Yeah, so this is the bearish divergence that we're seeing right here. We are seeing this decrease right here on the charts, and this increase. This is obviously a bearish pattern, but of course we're gonna have to see. If Bitcoin does go to $35,000, we could see KDA go to $5. Now let's have a look on Kadena real quick. This is KDA right here. Let me go back. So KDA, starting off with KDA, guys, one of my favorite coins out there, proof of work. I mean, this is probably the only coin that could compete with Bitcoin. Of course, not financial advice, but proof of work, guys, 400,000 transactions per second. That is just fantastic. Anyways, we do have 2 rejections right here. Can this be the final capitulation wick for VRA? Was this the final dip, 1.33? I mean, we're gonna have to see in the near future, right? But if Bitcoin does go to essentially $35,000, we could see Kadena rally all the way 100%, all the way up, almost 100%. Yeah, it is 100% to $5.39. Now, why am I saying that? Why am I saying that? Well, if we have a look at the EMA Ribbon, what's interesting is that it actually meets up. This right here, the 40 and 45 EMA exponential moving average actually meets up exactly on the weekly time frame with the $5 region. So this is definitely strong resistance. On the daily, it's not so much. It's pretty down. As you guys can see, we are right here, but we are still being held pretty well, as you guys can see on the daily on the daily charts. Ever since we broke right here on the 6th of April 2022, we haven't been able to break the daily EMA ribbon. As you guys can see right here, we got a rejection right here, we had another one right here, we had another one right here, another one right here, and then boom, another one right here, and then can this be another one right here? So we know that when we're in a downtrend, we know that these EMA ribbons are very, 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 very strong. Especially, you know, especially the 20 and the 55. I mean, we would have, in order for me to become bullish again, we would have to essentially break all these EMA ribbons. The last one sits at 4.56, so it would be very, very hard to essentially come back to $5. And we could also have a nice little fake out and come back out, but we're gonna have to see what happens in the near future. Let's have a look at the shorter time frame, guys. On the 1 hour time frame, Kadena is dumping back down, retesting the EMA ribbon on the daily time frame. I mean, on the 1 hour time frame right here. So we had a nice little breakout, but guess what? Pump and dump, nothing too crazy. And this is a beautiful, beautiful example how strong the 55 moving average is on the 4 hour time frame. We had a rejection right here, which is another one. We had a few right here. So guys, you see, this is how important and how strong these EMA ribbons work. I mean, on the 4 hour time frame, you're looking for a more short-term trend, either to the upside or to the downside. And on the daily, you're looking for more of a long-term trend. And right now, ever since we broke right here, we've been more trending towards the bottom on the short term. And right here, when we're breaking to the top, you're going to essentially want a long right here at the EMA ribbons at the bottom. Okay, so a long right here at a retest would have been fantastic. Of course, stop loss before would have been good, but assuming you did take a long right here, you would have been 24% up. You could have taken profit at this double top right here. That would have been a beautiful, beautiful TP area right here. So it's important not to be greedy. I don't know if you guys are trading or not. Of course, this video is not financial advice, but it's important not to be greedy. Always do your own research. Always take your profits if you are trading and not to be over leveraged. But this is my video on Kadena and Bitcoin, guys. Solana video will be coming up tomorrow. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.